Want to know how to log out of your account in Wish? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Wish application or your Wish website and make sure you have logged in. We have also created a video on how to thoroughly install, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you have done that, here you should be seeing your home page on top, and on the top right side you should be seeing your profile right here. So this is small, just simply select it and hover on it. Now, once you've done that, on the bottom you should be seeing logout. It should be right below settings, so you can just simply select it once, and sometimes it might ask for confirmation. Just simply select OK or yes, and after that is done, you should simply be logged out easily. And that's it, super simple and easy. So as you can see, I have been successfully logged out of Wish, and you need to now re-enter the credentials to log in. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.